Am I the a-hole for mansplaining to my girlfriend? I personally don't think that this is an issue of mansplaining, but I want to present her perspective of the issue fairly and objectively. I don't want to make this story seem completely one-sided like some of the other stories that I've read on here. I, 23 male, am someone who loves fun facts. I love telling my friends and family fun facts and seeing their faces light up with the same interest as mine had when I first learned the fact. Now the problem is, I've been getting the feeling lately that my girlfriend, 23 female, isn't really treating me with respect. When she talks to me, she acts kind of withdrawn and dismissive, and I sometimes feel like she responds to me as though she's like a boss speaking to a subordinate. When I talk to her, I never even know if she's listening or not. Yesterday, I told her a fun fact about how styrofoam containers aren't actually made from styrofoam, but they're actually made from a material known as polystyrene. She didn't even blink an eye and she just said, okay. Today, we were over at a friend's house for dinner and she let us take some pasta home for leftovers. And I heard my girlfriend say, hand me that styrofoam container. I got a little annoyed since this was proof that she didn't give a crap about the things I said. Oh my gosh, I hate to cut in, but really, this guy, okay. I gotta finish the story. God. So I said in an annoyed voice, it's made of polyesterine, not styrofoam, but I guess it doesn't matter what I say since you wouldn't even listen anyways. After that, basically all hell broke loose and my girlfriend is refusing to talk to me because I was rude. Even though I was literally just pointing out that she's been disengaged and disrespectful to me by not caring about the things I say and making me feel like I'm not important. Dude, this is one of the stories that I literally pray is fake because honestly, if somebody is that petty, then I honestly don't even know why they would want to be in a relationship. They should just stay single. And the thing that he doesn't understand is just because it's a fun fact to you doesn't mean that it's a fun fact to everybody else. For him to think that she's supposed to call it polyesterine just because he told her that that's what it actually is, like seriously? I don't even know why this girl is putting up with this guy. Okay guys, so you know I had to read the top comment and this one has 34,000 likes. It says, you're the a-hole. I wouldn't listen to you either. Styrofoam is a brand name for polyesterine. And I didn't know that, but either way, this guy is definitely the a-hole. I have to give this guy a 7 a-hole rating on a scale of 1 to 10. So you guys have to let me know in the comments what a-hole rating you'll give this guy. And I also wanted to show you guys one of my newest flower combs. This customer wanted the rainbow comb, and I used some really pretty colorful wildflowers for this comb. And then I used crystal clear resin with iridescent glitter and gold flakes. And it just makes such a pretty comb. It's super classy, very elegant. So you have to let me know in the comments what you think about this comb. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.